Meaning of enforceable.
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 Enforceable. Enforceable refers to something that can be legally imposed or enforced. An enforceable agreement or contract means that the parties involved are bound to fulfill their obligations as outlined in the agreement or contract, and failure to do so could result in legal consequences. For example, an enforceable contract between an employer and employee establishes terms of employment, and if either party breaches those terms, the other party can seek legal recourse. In short, enforceable means that there are legal consequences for failing to comply with the terms of a contract or agreement.